6 rides on Falcon's fire engine. Well, I'm about to do this video game because of storage apparently. So I'm going to take this two more times.
Attention, get ready,
oh.
Taking off.
Started automatically. There we go. I'm going to do this video again. Because it was a storage annoyingly, for some reason. So that's why I tapped it 2 times, by the way. Why is the camera not even focusing? There we go. I just looked at Chase for some reason. Yeah, the camera did not even focus. I do apologise. That was just to clear off the storage. If you're wondering what that noise was. It's just to clear off all the storage. That's all. Yeah, this one doesn't really turn that bad. Yeah, there's the back of it. That's for the ones who didn't see. When you hold that down, it doesn't stop siren when the ride finishes. For some reason. You're wondering that light doesn't flash for some reason. Second ride. It's a bit loud. Yeah, there's Transformers over there. And Chase. Probably not going to film Transformers. I might do sometime. It's just this £1.50. That's why I don't ride on it. The Transformers kiddie ride. The Transformers roundabout. Next to the Christmas Express. That's why I don't even ride on it, sadly. Yeah, see, there's the hoses. Falcus 28 on it. www.falcus.com, okay. So weird there. Yeah, that was it. But when the ride's moving, or when the music stops, I believe. Seriously, that was about 1 minute 10 seconds, I believe. That ride. 3, 2, 1, go. It's the third ride. Yeah, when you push stop and the ride starts automatically, if you're wondering. I don't know why it's a bit squeaky, the steering wheels. God, look how it moves. It moves left to right, but in forward motion. It's a bit funny, really. Look at that. See? Just look how it moves. You have to get POV for this. It had the same sound as the New York fire engine, which is made by Falcons as well. It says fire truck on it. 112 fire department on it. Oh! Didn't last very long, to be honest. For some reason. Right. I'll just put the camera down here. This is going to start about 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, fourth ride. See Chase there. Looks like Chase is looking at the people for some reason. Or maybe he's looking at Primark for some ridiculous reason. I think there's a Falcons code you might see. WW Falcons. Oh, this one's a little bit like motor. A little bit. Let's try and get the run of some Falcons code. Yeah, there is over there. You might not see it. That's a Falcons code for Falcons Fire Engine. If anybody wants it, by the way. I don't know why it says www.falcons.com on it. It just does for some reason. For some reason you have to hold this down. And then make the same sound events. I mean, why? Just why? It's a bit weird. What the hell? So weird there. Right. Let's put it there. Well, this time's going to start about 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Fifth ride. But look at that noise. And for some reason the motor's making a little bit big bang. If you listen, see, that's weird. It's not actually meant to do that for some reason. Let's try and go on it. That's better. For some reason the motor was making a big bang there. I don't know why. It's not actually meant to do that for some ridiculous reason. The reason why I'm doing 6 rides on Falcons Fire Engine because I really like this ride. I believe it's going to give me 6 rides. Well, I'm not too sure. That's what I think. Yeah, you can hear a bit of that motor there. I'm not sure if this is the last ride. I'll get the music of it. Then we can press the start button.
Get ready, we're setting off.
I haven't got much time right now, to be honest. This is the last ride. Maybe not today. I don't really want to be honest. Because I'm going to try and make this video 10 minutes. I don't know why the motor keeps making that noise like that. Whoa. For some reason it's making a bit of squeaky noise. I don't know why. You also need when I get through him and maybe against the wall. It doesn't really matter. Just try and ignore that noise. It keeps doing that for some weird reason. That happened to one at Clacton. Stop making that noise. Oh, the man's flashing now. That noise is a bit squeaky. I expected, really.
soon.
Yeah, that was 6 watts of Vargos for our engine.